Welcome back to UK Motorhome Journey United Kingdom, where we explore the best motorhomes and campervans across Britain, from compact weekend getaways to full-size luxury touring homes on wheels. And today, we're diving into something truly special, the 2025 Auto-Trail Excel Arto 78, a motorhome that's redefining comfort, practicality, and design for modern travelers. The moment you see the Arto 78, it commands attention. Its sleek, aerodynamic body gives it a premium road presence, a perfect blend of style and function. The new 2025 design features sharper LED headlights, a redesigned front grille, and smooth side profiles that don't just look good, they also improve fuel efficiency on long motorway journeys. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by an atmosphere that feels more like a boutique apartment than a motorhome. The living area is open, airy, and finished with soft-touch materials that elevate every surface. The new skydome panoramic roof floods the cabin with natural light, making the space feel even larger and more inviting. In the lounge, Auto-Trail has focused on flexibility. The seating area easily converts from a cozy dining setup to a relaxing sofa configuration, perfect for both couples and families. The swivel captain chairs up front make it feel like a true living room on wheels, and the new insulation upgrades mean it's just as comfortable in the Scottish Highlands as it is by the Cornish coast. Now, let's talk about the heart of any motorhome, the kitchen. The Arto 78 doesn't disappoint. You get a full-sized oven, a 3-burner gas hob, an integrated microwave, and a deep stainless steel sink. The fridge-freezer combo is smartly designed for long journeys, with energy-efficient modes and plenty of space for fresh food. Every drawer and cabinet closes softly, giving that satisfying touch of quality you'd expect from Auto-Trail. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom is where the Arto 78 really shines. It features twin single beds that can easily be transformed into one large double, with thick, supportive mattresses that make overnight stays feel like home. There's also generous underbed storage and wardrobes on both sides, giving you plenty of space for longer trips. The washroom is another highlight. You've got a fully enclosed shower, modern fixtures, and a